Okay, hear me out. You need the Kashima flat top kabuki brush. It's like having a professional makeup artist tucked right into your beauty bag. I was applying foundation one day, frustrated with streaks, until boom. This brush entered my life. Seriously. The streak-free finish makes my skin look flawless. No more blending nightmares. Ever tried getting that perfect even coverage? Imagine a magic wand erasing all your makeup woes. That's what this brush does. Smooths everything out effortlessly, making imperfections vanish. And let's talk durability. Made from top-notch synthetic fibers, it feels luxurious against your skin. No more cheap brushes shedding everywhere. So why wait? Trust me. Add the Kashima flat top kabuki brush to your routine now and watch your makeup game level up instantly. Ready to slay? Go grab yours today. Hey beauty fam, ever struggled with applying makeup evenly? Let me spill some tea on my fave, the Kashima flat top kabuki brush. First off, this brush gives an insane even application. I use it for foundation and it literally erases streaks like magic. Think about flawless bridal looks without the hassle. Second reason, the highest quality materials. It has this super soft, luxurious feel against your skin. My clients always comment on how comfortable it is. Bye-bye to those awful scratchy brushes. And here's the best part, streak-free finishes every single time. Whether I'm contouring or setting spray, this brush doesn't miss a beat. Trust me, no more patchy nightmares. Guys, seriously, elevate your makeup game now with the Kashima flat top kabuki brush. Click below before it sells out. Your face will thank you later.